Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi everybody, wanted to do a quick video to show you how to unpublish items in your 8-week 1 and 8-week 2 courses, so that way students have a universal experience. So this is my 8-week 1 course. You can actually change the nickname in here by clicking these three little dots. When you click in here, I'm going to name that H1 8-week. And now I'm going to click into it. And as you see, it says it at the top. This is your nickname. Students will not see this. So I'm going to scroll down and I see these assignments. These are assignments that you see. This is not what the student sees. So to make sure you see what the student sees, you're going to go to Student View. And when you're in Student View, now you see what the student sees as far as submissions goes. So for that midterm week and the final week, as you see, there's additional items in here in conjunction with the final portfolio or the midterm. So I'm going to unpublish this one and this one, discussion 7 and 8, and I'm going to unpublish 15, 16, and 15 exercise. I'm going to leave student view. So we're going to go to assignments. So in here, this is the page that shows you all the assignments that are published. So I'm going to unpublish 7 and 8. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to unpublish 16, 15, and 14. Because this is an 8-week class. Then I'm also going to unpublish. Those are fine. I'm going to unpublish 15. Okay, so everything else is now matching. So we're going to go back up to our home page. And remember, you're in Professor View, so you need to click on Student View. Then I'm going to scroll down. Now I see what the student sees. So they only have the midterm to focus on right there, and then the final and the portfolio here. And I'm going to leave Student View. Now I know everything is corresponding, and in order to take a screenshot of your assignments that student sees, you always have to do it from Student View. You would take a screenshot, you would save it, then you would go to your Edit, and after you updated your syllabus, you would highlight this and save it. So now when students download the syllabus, they will see the assignments due that correspond with the student view from the course summary. All right, let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, I am here for you and your success. Have a wonderful day.